listen for me. One every boss only 2 tunes for you. Sing. Yeah. Power Rasta with something new, something brand new. Now tell them something I feel right now. What's the tune there?
They've been waiting for something more.
They've been waiting for something more. Power Rasta. Listen up. Listen up. But people, when I go tell them something I feel right now. Just I'm the king of the dancer, yeah. Enough, anytime they need the one, I can make it, oh yeah. Yes, you know I don't care. Yes, I don't do. Anytime they need the one, yeah, we don't ever care. But people, when I go tell them something, oh, it's not fair.
They've been waiting for something more.
Power outside with something new. Alright, I never show us, now we are Neka Aurilawa on our democracy from singers from the air. Neka Aurilawa, oh yo, our attacker, yo Neka Aurilawa. Democracy from singers from the air. Neka Aurilawa, oh yo, Sima, yeah, body from a man, the Torika President, did you know the man, the Rotan Mascara, Mading of Bukona, Tamahulani, on the Mafatus or the mattresses. The touchline, you be my one day battery. Next to me. Yo, big on yourself. Match up, master the max. See? Yeah, I'm not sleeping on my upstairs. Sit down. Girl, I know that you look so good. The way you smile, the way you keep on smiling. We love the way you keep on smiling, girl. The way you talk, oh girl, I'm loving it forever. Every morning I see you out the window. I can be something saying I need a little baby brother. It's true love is a pretty father than fine. Baby, I love you alone, I'll make it feel like it. Tell me you there for me, girl. I'm loving this forever, man. Tell her, yeah, be awesome, brother, yeah. Live.
Yes, want to give us a power star. Right about now.
And the portion and the music get them remember that the lead dog of the end of a journal. Leave them. I tell you, I tell you, Respect my boy now. One tune from Chris. Give me one song, one end song. Give me one song, man. No one my fans to dance. One song. Hold on, DJ. Hold on, stop it. Stop it, DJ. Young soldier, get ready. Massive. Yeah. Mzee Bounty is a shirt, right? Good ghetto. Mzee Bounty shirt, right? Massive. That is like to my empress. I have your fruits. Yeah, you know. The woman is empress hear me now. So, I don't know. Reginald, young